Welcome to the shortwave channel. This is the place in Montreal if you want to have radios repaired, if you want to have a look in the past and all sorts of radios and electronics. Radio HOVSEP on Avenue du Parc, and it's a place I haven't been here in 20 years at least, and it's still exactly like I remember it. And got some nice stuff here, nice good old radios. That's Satellite 2000 here from Grundig, the real Grundigs, not the fake Grundigs like today. A lot of stuff and a lot of electronics. If you need parts for old radios, definitely a place. Tubes. These are getting hard to find now. Cables. All sorts of parts. And
stylus system was a good thing to have. And I definitely have to get back to you then.
so we have Mr. Joseph here.
Yes, hi.
Hi. How long has this store been open?
Take a picture of the CBC.
Okay. So now it says it's part of last. So, me in Montreal's radio doctor, Joseph HOVSEP, 79-year-old, says this is part of the last generation to know how to repair electronics. Do you still use old electronics? And where do you listen to the radio? So since 1960, which means it's 64 years old.
Yeah.
And still going? Still have that radio passion?
I do.
You do?
Yeah.
That's the important thing. That's why it's still here. And of course we have Sheldon.
Hi, everyone. They've seen enough of me. They can tell.
Move out. We want to see the radios.
Yes.
Oh, man.
He does on Saturdays. He does a live YouTube. And all these people check in from all over.
And got some more modern stuff. Some good old systems from, if you're looking for a turntable, old sound system like we used to call them, stereos. And pretty cool stuff here. So look at that. So this is pretty much the only place left in Montreal where if you need to have repairs, if you need to have parts, still exists. Radio HOVSEP 5945 Park Avenue, Avenue du Parc in Montreal.
It's good to see.